Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 6 minus 6 times 6 minus 6. So, can you solve this simple math problem that many people fail to solve because they solve it 6 minus 6 as 0, 6 minus 6 as 0 and 0 times 0 as 0, which is the incorrect answer and incorrect approach. Because this type of question where multiple operations are given, that is subtraction, multiplication and subtraction, then we have to follow board mass rule. Comment down below in your country what you called it. As per this rule, first we have to solve the bracket, then of, then division, then multiplication, addition and the subtraction. Division and multiplication, similarly addition and subtraction have same priority, but we have to always solve from left to right. So we have over multiplication and subtraction. We have to solve first multiplication. So it's 6 times 6, 36. So 6 minus 36 minus 6. So now there is a single sign. So we have to solve it from left to right always. So 6 minus 36 is minus 30 and minus 6 is minus 36. So what is the correct answer? Minus 36, not 0. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.